The burnt toast theory posits that everyday annoyances, like burnt toast or missed buses, may serve as the universe's way of protecting us from larger disasters. For instance, remaking burnt toast might prevent you from being in a car accident, or missing a bus could lead to a chance encounter with someone interesting. This theory encourages us to pause when faced with inconveniences, trusting that they could lead to positive outcomes or even personal growth. By adopting this mindset, we not only foster self-compassion, avoiding self-blame for minor misfortunes, but also enhance our mindfulness and clarity. Ultimately, embracing the burnt toast theory helps us reframe our perspective on life's hiccups, allowing us to view them as opportunities rather than setbacks, and cultivating a more relaxed and optimistic approach to everyday challenges.